Let's take a look at how to use and form the absolute superlative in Spanish. And we're going to focus on adjectives. Okay, so this first column here, we'll call it category 1. This second column, category 2. And this third column, category 3. Okay, so in this first column, we have basic adjectives that modify their corresponding nouns. So I think hamburgers are delicious, and so I have deliciosa. Now down here, I have the word atléticos, athletic, because I think the Chicago Bulls, los Toros, are athletic. Now here, if someone gives me directions, and if I don't have my GPS navigator, the directions, in my opinion, are vague, vagas, okay? And the last basic adjective down here is feroz, ferocious, because I think lions are ferocious, okay? So let's convert these basic adjectives to an absolute superlative. And the way we do that for category 2 is simply by adding the word muy in front of the adjective. So we have delicious, and now we have muy deliciosa, very delicious. And so we will do the same for the following adjectives. Athletic, now we have muy atléticos, very athletic. Vague, muy vagas, very vague. Ferocious, now we have very ferocious, muy feroz, okay? Now, let's convert this category 2 absolute superlative to a category 3, which is the highest form of the absolute superlative. And the way we do that is by taking the vowel, okay, and we're going to get rid of it. And now we are going to add the following endings. Ísimo, ísima, ísimos, or ísimas, okay? And these endings will depend on the gender and number of the noun that is being modified. So let's take a look at this delicious hamburger, deliciosa, okay? So it ends in a vowel, so I'm going to get rid of this vowel, and now I'm going to add ísima. Okay, so our category 1 hamburger, delicious. Category 2 hamburger, muy deliciosa, very delicious. And now our category 3 hamburger expresses this word, deliciosísima. It is really delicious. Okay, now let's continue. And here we have atléticos, and we have to take into account a change. In Spanish, if it ends in CO, the CO is going to change to a QU. Okay, and because it's masculine and plural, it's going to become ísimos. Okay, so let's get rid of this. And so now we have athletic, very athletic, and now we have atletiquísimos. Okay, and so here we have an accent over the I, and here we have an accent over the E in the original adjective. So let's get rid of this accent over the E. Okay, and now let's look at our next one. In Spanish, we have to take into account a change. So this GA is going to become a GU. And because it is feminine and plural, we're going to add ísimas, okay? So let's get rid of this. And so now we have vaguísimas, really vague. And let's look at this final adjective. So we have to take into account a change here. So if an adjective ends in a Z, it is now going to become a C. And because this is singular and masculine, we're going to add ísimo. So ferocísimo means the lion is really ferocious. Okay, take a look at this tutorial on absolute superlatives. And if you have any questions, let me know. Hasta luego.